Now that you have set up your schemas, knowledge base, and inquiries, the foundation is in place. It is time to create an audit, the workspace where all assessment activity is planned, recorded, and tracked. Now, let's learn about creating new audits. To create a new audit, select the Audits tab in the main view and click the New Audit button. Provide the required details such as the Audit Unique ID and Audit Name. Audit Unique ID and Audit Name should be unique and cannot be modified after saving. Once created and selected, the audit becomes your active workspace. I have already created this audit for the demo purpose. Double-click the audit to view the audit information. Next, we will learn about the several objects related to an audit. Focus areas let you define key topics or priorities the audit should concentrate on. The application allows auditors to link findings with the focus areas. Focus areas are not mandatory for an audit. Findings let you record formal outcomes or issues identified during the assessment. Each finding can be linked to a focus area for traceability. You can create findings directly from the Findings tab under Audits, or use the recommended method. Select an audit, switch to the Schema tab, link an item to the audit, and click Log Findings it to open the findings screen. You can also associate multiple schema items with a single finding. The Stats section provides a real-time overview of your audit completion status and helps you track audit data input progress. You can find list of schemas in the audits, items linked, and count of inquired answered or responded to, and count of items with the additional item notes. Additional notes at the audit level let you capture general observations or information that apply to the entire audit. Audit participants feature allow you to record the information about attendees, their roles, and their participation in the audit ceremonies. Audit Documents feature can be used to import or link supporting evidence and reference materials within your audit environment. Audit documents are related to audit activity, for example, statement of applicability shared by the auditee. Please make sure that you have necessary authorization to import or link documents. Application also allows to attach documents at the schema level. Schema documents can be schema PDF or knowledge base articles. Once you have entered all audit information, click the Generate Report button to create the audit report. The report will be generated in Microsoft Word format. Under the Audit Reports tab, you can open the report and save it as a PDF if needed. After saving or making changes, click Refresh to update the report list. Now that we have the schemas and audit information entered, we are ready to start entering our assessment or auditee responses against the preset inquiries and assessment against the schemas for our selected audit. Next step is link the selected item in the left pane with the audit by clicking Link to Selected Audit button. Inquiries tab under Schemas contains the questions, assessment, or checklists. We can record our notes against the selected item under Items Notes/Assessment tab. We can either choose to record our notes here or mark the input as not applicable. Either of these actions will report these items as completed under Audits/Stats tab. You can add additional item notes by selecting an item in the left pane. Use these notes for information not covered by preset inquiries, or when you want to record notes without linking the item, since linking requires all inquiries to be answered or marked as not applicable. After entering your data, return to the Audits/Stats tab to check your audit's progress. Additional notes for linked and unlinked items will appear in separate columns for each schema item. Thank you for watching and considering. We hope truAudits application becomes a trusted resource in your audit toolkit.